Okay, good afternoon. Here in this class, I'll be showing you how to prepare organic pesticide at home. So the first thing you do, you pick the leaves like this. You get dongoyaro leaves, you pick it and put inside. You pick the leaves and put inside water to clean it. You see, I picked the leaf, put inside water to clean it up. Okay, you clean the leaf. After cleaning, you wash it. You wash it and don't make it too small. You wash it and put it here to pound it. You can pound. You can pound it. You can blend it with. You can blend it if you have blender. And some people chop it, but I think it will not come out very well if you chop it. So I chop it. I do this, chop it up. Time to complete. I'm going to pour this place. So after chopping it up, you can see, chop it up. So you put oil in there. Put oil. You put oil. You can see you put oil in the pot, and then you put it inside and boil and allow it to boil. So I'm going to put this. See, I'm going to put it in the pot. Put it in the pot. And allow it to boil. So So you stir until the color. You stir until they have change color. You allow it boil. You can use coconut oil. You can use shea butter oil. You can use. This is one method of extracting. Allow it to boil before allow it to boil. You can see it boiling. Allow it to boil. Allow it until the color changes. The color starts to change to the color of the leaf. azadirachtin, we now extract into the oil, and then you can use it for the pesticide. It can be used to clear acne on the skin. It can be used for skin hair growth. So once it's cooled down, after it's boiled, you allow it to cool down. When it's cooled down, we sieved it and extract the oil, and the oil is used, and the oil can be used for acne on the body, on the skin, on the body. It can be used for pesticides, used as pest control. It can be used as pest control, and you can see it's cooling down. We might have to wait a bit to get it cooled down. Yeah, thank you.